filthy, filthy. Very dirty. This toilet is filthy. Please clean it properly. Don't sit there. The floor is filthy. Swap, swap. To exchange one thing for another. I want to swap my book with yours. Can we swap seats? I want to sit by the window. Stalk, stalk. To follow someone secretly or closely. Someone is stalking me after work every evening. The man was stalking me near my house. Conceal, conceal. To hide something, or keep it secret. He concealed the money under the pillow. I concealed my fear from everyone. Weep, weep. To cry, often quietly or with sorrow. She was weeping quietly in her bedroom alone. Stop weeping and tell me what happened. Litter, litter. Trash or rubbish left in public places. There is a lot of litter on the street. Don't litter. Put your garbage in the bin. Glare, glare. To stare angrily or fiercely at someone. Don't glare at me. I didn't do anything. Stop glaring at me like that, please. Spit, spit. Don't spit on the pavement, it's unhygienic. Please don't spit on the floor here. Naked, naked. The baby was naked, crawling on the floor. I saw a naked child playing in the yard. nod, nod. I nodded my head without saying anything. Don't just nod, tell me what you think. Fart, fart. I accidentally farted in the elevator. Who farted? It smells awful in here. Drown, drown. To die by being underwater. 2 people drowned in the river yesterday evening. The girl fell into the river and drowned. Scratch, scratch. Stop scratching your arm, it will hurt. The dog was scratching itself non-stop. Hilarious, hilarious. Extremely funny, something that makes you laugh a lot. That movie was absolutely hilarious. I couldn't stop laughing. That meme is hilarious. I shared it with everyone. Wrap, wrap. I wrapped the gift and tied it with a ribbon. Please wrap your scarf around your neck. Rinse, rinse. To wash something quickly with water. Rinse the rice twice before cooking it. Rinse your face with cold water daily. Sick, sick. Ill or unwell. I have been sick for 2 days. I am feeling sick today, so I won't go to work. Tickle, tickle. Stop tickling me, I can't stop laughing. Mom tickled me to wake me up. Wet, wet. Don't go outside, you will get wet in the rain. Be careful, the floor is wet and slippery. Quarrel, quarrel. To argue or disagree with someone, often angrily. It was just a small quarrel, nothing serious. They always quarrel about silly things. Faint, faint. To suddenly lose consciousness for a short time. I fainted because I didn't eat all day. He fainted when he saw the blood. Greet, greet. To say hello to someone, or welcome them politely. I greeted my teacher outside the classroom. He greeted me when I entered the room. Beverage, beverage. Any drinkable liquid, usually used for drinks other than water. Do you have any beverages without sugar? Alcoholic beverages are not allowed here. Demise, demise. The death of a person, formal word, often used in news or serious talk. We were shocked by his sudden demise. After her demise, the family moved away. Exhausted, exhausted. Very tired. I am exhausted after cleaning the whole house. I am exhausted, let's rest for a while. Thirsty, thirsty. I am thirsty, can I have some juice? The dog looked thirsty, so I gave it water. Comb, comb. Please comb your hair, it looks very messy. I am combing my hair right now. Sink, sink. The boat sank, and 2 people drowned. I accidentally dropped the ring, and it sank. Drag, drag. Don't drag the chair, it's too noisy. Stop dragging your bag on the floor.